Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a tough but really important topic: how to save money when you don't have a job. I know it sounds almost impossible, but trust me, with the right mindset and strategies, you can not only survive but also set yourself up for future success. This isn't about magic tricks, it's about being smart, resourceful, and intentional with every single dollar. So, if you're in a tight spot right now, or you just want to learn some hardcore saving skills, stick around. First things first, we need to talk about mindset. Being unemployed can be incredibly stressful and can take a toll on your mental health. It's easy to feel defeated, but you have to shift your perspective from "I have no money" to "I am in control of my resources." This is a temporary situation, a chapter in your story, not the whole book. Use this time not just to survive, but to build financial habits that will serve you for the rest of your life. Remember to be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins like saving $5 or finding a great deal. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, please don't hesitate to reach out to a friend, family member, or a mental health professional. Your well-being is the number one priority. All right, let's get practical. The very first step is to create a bare-bones budget. This isn't your dream budget. This is your survival budget. You need to know exactly where your money is going. Grab a notebook or a free budgeting app and list all your essential expenses: housing, utilities, groceries, and any essential transportation. Be brutally honest. That daily coffee? The streaming subscriptions? For now, they have to go. We're cutting down to the absolute necessities. This isn't about deprivation forever. It's about control right now. Once you have this list, you'll see your absolute minimum cost of living. This number is your new North Star. Now let's attack those essential expenses. Start with housing, which is usually the biggest chunk. If you're renting, could you talk to your landlord about a temporary rent reduction or a deferred payment plan? It's a tough conversation, but many are more understanding than you'd think, especially if you have a good payment history. Could you find a roommate to split the costs? Or, in a more extreme case, could you temporarily move in with family or friends? It's a humbling step, but it can provide immense financial relief and emotional support during a difficult time. Next up, utilities. Call your electricity, gas, water, and internet providers. Explain your situation and ask if they offer any low-income assistance programs, budget billing, or payment plans. You'd be surprised at the options available that aren't widely advertised. Also start practicing energy conservation like a pro. Unplug electronics when not in use. These vampire appliances suck power even when off. Take shorter showers, wash clothes in cold water, and be mindful of every light switch. These small actions add up to real savings on your monthly bills. Let's move into the kitchen, a place where you can save a ton of money. Eating out, including fast food, is off the table completely. Your new best friend is home cooking. Plan your meals for the week based on what's on sale at the grocery store. Look for flyers online before you go. Focus on cheap, nutritious staples like beans, lentils, rice, oats, potatoes, and seasonal vegetables. Learn to love leftovers. Cook in big batches. A big pot of chili or soup can feed you for days. Avoid prepackaged and processed foods. They're more expensive and less healthy. And please visit your local food bank or pantry. There is absolutely no shame in accepting help when you need it. That's what those resources are there for. They can provide essential groceries and free up what little cash you have for other critical needs. Now let's talk about transportation. If you have a car, can you live without it for a while? Car payments, insurance, gas, and maintenance add up incredibly fast. If you can, consider selling it to get a cash infusion and eliminate those expenses. If you need a car for essential trips like job interviews, then minimize its use. Plan all your errands for one day to save on gas. For everything else, embrace walking, biking, or public transit. A bus pass is much cheaper than owning a car. Look for free community shuttles or carpooling opportunities. This change in habit not only saves money, but is also great for your health and the environment. With your expenses slashed, let's focus on the other side of the equation: generating some income. I know the theme is no job, but I'm talking about quick, flexible ways to earn cash, not a full-time career. Think about the gig economy. Can you do food delivery, dog walking, or babysitting? Websites like TaskRabbit or Fiverr allow you to offer small services based on your skills, whether it's handyman work, graphic design, or proofreading. Another powerful strategy is to declutter and sell things you no longer need. Go through your closet, your garage, your bookshelves, electronics, clothes, furniture. It can all be sold online through platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or eBay. This does two things. It brings in immediate cash and simplifies your life. This period is also a golden opportunity for personal growth. What's one skill you've always wanted to learn? The internet is filled with free resources. YouTube itself is a university. Websites like Coursera and edX offer free courses from top universities. You can learn coding, digital marketing, a new language, or a skilled trade. Investing time in learning now can dramatically increase your earning potential when you re-enter the workforce. It also keeps your mind sharp and builds your confidence. Instead of just waiting for a job, you're actively building a better version of yourself. When you go into your next interview, you can talk about how you used your time off to acquire new valuable skills. That's a powerful story to tell. Finally, let's put it all together. Take every single dollar you save or earn and give it a purpose. If you have any high-interest debt, like credit card balances, try to make at least the minimum payments to avoid damaging your credit score further. If you can, throw any extra cash at the debt with the highest interest rate. Your main goal, however, should be to build a tiny emergency fund. Even saving just $500 can be a massive psychological relief. It's a buffer between you and disaster. Keep this cash in a separate, easy-to-access savings account. Seeing that balance grow, even slowly, will empower you and give you hope. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, creativity, and a positive attitude. You will have to make sacrifices, but remember they are temporary. You're learning financial resilience that will make you rich in a way that goes beyond a bank account. You're building the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope these tips help you navigate this challenging time. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on building a better financial life. And please share your own money-saving tips in the comments below. Let's help each other out as a community. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.